Hey, what's up everyone, it's Tech News time. Xiaomi has unveiled a new telephoto lens, and Xiaomi promises it has smooth zoom and better light sensitivity. This telephoto lens is better and different than others because it can come out physically. Here, take a look. DJI Mini 2 is now official with 4K video recording and OcuSense, and this DJI is especially great for drone. You already know how much great DJI performs, and DJI Mini 2 drone is more than good, and with 4K recording you can now get amazing shots with DJI 2 Mini. See the picture. And the price of this DJI Mini 2 is only $449. Xiaomi announces their new Mi Notebook 14 and its e-learning edition. Actually, it's for students who are nowadays starting with online education through their computers or mobile phones. So this is a great deal for those students because it has Intel Core i3 10th generation, so it performs well, and also it comes with Intel UHD and the 14-inch larger IPS display and higher battery packs. This all great for every students who are studying right now in this situation. And this comes with Intel UHD graphics, which is 620, so you are getting 256 GB internal storage and 8 GB DDR4 RAM. So it's a great deal, and you can get all this with 35,000 Indian rupee or $470. Previously you have seen Honor 10X Lite that was only announced in China, but now Honor 10X Lite is getting outside of China and it is going to launch globally on November 10th. So I really like the design of Honor 10X Lite. I hope the price will be low so that it can compete better with Xiaomi and Realme phone. From tomorrow, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-orders open in more than 30 countries. So if you are one of those persons who are waiting for iPhone 12 mini or iPhone 12 Pro Max, you can now pre-order this phone from tomorrow, of course, and get the phone if you are that much excited. I don't know, I just like the regular iPhone 12. WhatsApp new feature, which is disappearing messages, will roll out this month, and this feature is lot to look like Facebook Messenger's vanish mode, and the messages will be disappear after 7 days. So I don't know if you are into WhatsApp that much or want this feature. You just have to wait some days more, and in this month you will get that feature. Samsung introduced their new Galaxy M20s edition, and this is exactly the same with the previously that has been launched Galaxy M21, just only upgraded camera. It comes with 48 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and that's it. The 3-pole camera system, and the design, it doesn't come with foil pans, so it's a notch, not so good, but it packs 6000 mAh battery, so you are getting a larger battery with 15-watt charging, and that's it. Everything same with Exynos chipset, and other design shape is a regular Galaxy M21. And that's for it now. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm Oheduzzaman, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.